Konkan Railway has now its first Vande Bharat as the Prime Minister inaugurated this train on June 27. We are on board the Madgaon Mumbai Vande Bharat that will complete the journey in 10 hours and 5 minutes during the monsoon. The train was launched ahead of the rush for the Ganpati festival. The train will have 7 commercial stoppages including Dadar, Thane, Panvel and Ratnagiri. The nearly 600-kilometer journey between Mumbai and Madgaon has a number of scenic locations. The Vande Bharat train will enhance the travel experience of the passengers as it crosses the lush green western ghats and the scenic Konkan region. On June 27, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated 5 pairs of Vande Bharat trains and Mumbai-Goa was one of them. The other trains were for Indore-Bhopal, Indore-Jabalpur, Bangalore-Dharwad and Patna-Ranchi. These 5 trains are with 8 coach unlike the usual 16 coach Vande Bharat trains. With these trains, the total number of Vande Bharat in India has reached 23. This was the first time that 5 Vande Bharats were inaugurated at a time. During the monsoon timetable of the Konkan, the Vande Bharat will cover the distance between Mumbai and Madgaon in 10 hours and 5 minutes, while during the non-monsoon period, the journey can be completed in 7 hours and 45 minutes. The monsoon timetable had started from June 10 and will continue till September 31. The Mumbai-Goa Vande Bharat will start commercial journey from Mumbai from June 28. It will start at 5:25 am and will reach Madgaon at 3:30 pm. Until the monsoon timetable is there, the train will operate 3 days from Mumbai and 3 days from Madgaon. On Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, the train will operate from Mumbai and on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturday, it will run from Madgaon. From Madgaon, the train will cost around Rs 2,000 for chair car and 3,500 for the executive class.
Railway route basically this entire region from Mumbai to right up to Kerala, it is the evergreen forest, and especially this entire route is much more beautiful because there is the evergreen lush green forest and sceneries, especially during the monsoon. And this much awaited Vande Bharat train from Madgaon to Mumbai is started just in monsoon. I think all the passengers on board today are enjoying this train, journey of this train, and I hope that in future this train will promote national and international tourism because Goa is one of the best tourist destination in India. So this train will not only promote tourism but it will also give the fastest connectivity between the Mumbai and Goa.
सर आप थोड़ा सा सिक्योरिटी के बारे में बता सकते हैं इस ट्रेन में क्या इनहैंस सिक्योरिटी है?
गाड़ी में जो है गाड़ी का डिज़ाइन इस टाइप से किया गया है कि यात्रियों के लिए भी बहुत सुविधाजनक है और एक्सीडेंट भी मतलब ये गाड़ी का अगर कोई एक्सीडेंट भी बहुत कम चांस है, अगर हुआ भी तो गाड़ी के डिब्बे के ऊपर नहीं चढ़ेंगे।
क्या कवच है इसमें?
इस गाड़ी में कवच लगा हुआ है।
गार्ड और ड्राइवर की बात करने के लिए क्या सिस्टम है?
गार्ड और ड्राइवर के बीच में माइक लगे हुए हैं और कैमरा लगे हुए हैं। पैसेंजर से भी बात करने के लिए हमको कैमरा लगे हुए हैं। पैसेंजर को कुछ हेल्प चाहिए तो वो हमको डायरेक्ट कॉल कर सकता है, हम उससे बात कर सकते हैं।
आप पैसेंजर्स के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे? ये पहली बार इस रूट में ट्रेन, आप पहली बार ही चला रहे हैं ये ट्रेन?
हाँ, मैं पहली बार चला रहा हूँ।
इससे पहले आप सर क्या चलाते थे?
मैं बाकी सब मेल एक्सप्रेस चलाता था, वंदे भारत के लिए पहली बार चलाने जा रहा हूँ।
आप एक्साइटेड हैं?
बहुत खुशी हो रही है।
तो आपने ये कोंकण वाले रूट में लगाया है, इतना सुंदर है, आप इसके लिए कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा यात्रियों को ये वंदे भारत में निकल के हमारी कोंकण की ब्यूटी देखने को मिलेगी। हम उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं इस गाड़ी में ज़्यादा आए और हमारे कोंकण रेलवे की और हमारे कोंकण रीजन की ब्यूटी देखें।
The Konkan Railway is considered to be one of the most scenic train journey that connects Mumbai and Mangalore as it passes through Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. It is a coastal strip of land bound by hills on the east and sea on the west. The first train on this route was flagged off in January 1998. This year, the service has completed 25 years. The total length of the Konkan Railway is around 750 km that also include the Goa-Mumbai route. With 72 stations en route, the journey takes the train through river, valleys and mountains. In the entire stretch, there are 91 tunnels covering a distance of 85 km. The longest tunnel in the route is 6.5 km long near Ratnagiri. Further, the route also has around 350 curves and 1900 bridges including 1700 minor bridges. There are a total of 370 road crossings as well.